Good morning, this is Matt Walsh with your Minute with the Mayor on Wednesday morning, March 25th. We are well into our second week of social distancing. I want to thank the residents of Council Bluffs. It is obviously working. We have had 2 reported cases, the original one at Panera Bread. That person now is no longer has the virus. And then we had a person who visited Council Bluffs from Southwest Iowa to a dialysis clinic, and that person is hospitalized over at UNMC. Other than that, we don't have any reported cases. We're not naive. We believe there are people out there who have the disease who haven't been tested, but people talk about flattening the curve. There is a bell curve as the disease ramps up. It hits a peak and then starts going down. And the concern was that our hospital and health systems weren't adequately prepared enough to have that peak come too soon. They didn't have enough personal protective equipment. You hear people talk about PPEs. They likely may not have had enough beds in ICU units to take care of patients. And so by the social distancing, the number of people getting sick would be less, and they could accommodate that at the hospitals until they got more personal protective equipment. The thought is that the same number of people will probably get sick from the virus. It'll just be over a longer term and not spike as quick. And so by staying home, we've flattened that curve out. Yesterday, they announced that the Iowa National Guard delivered 4 truckloads of personal protection equipment to Pottawatomie County, and that will be distributed out through the region. It won't just go to Pottawatomie County, but that will help. But I've gotten a news release from the Emergency Management Agency asking for any business that maybe has personal protective equipment that doesn't need it, if you could donate that. For example, woodworking businesses that have masks that keep the sawdust down, that they may have a larger supply than what they need right now. If you could donate that, if for some reason your organization has a stockpile, please contact the Emergency Management Agency in Council Bluffs. Things are going well. I know it's an inconvenience. I know you guys are sacrificing, and that's what we need at this particular time. So the president's talking about through mid-April, it may be longer than that. I always understood these upper respiratory viruses to kind of languish when the weather warms up and humidity increases. And initially people said they didn't think that was the case, but on this morning's news, a doctor who specializes in disease studies said that that's his experience also, that when humidity and heat hit here, the virus seems to go away. So we've got 2 things working for us. 1, you've been really good about not getting out and about, and 2, warmer weather's coming. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you later on. That's your Minute with the Mayor.